So I've been using the T-Flight HOTAS 1 for a while now, and I feel like it's time for me to review it. So well, it's good. With the stick, bounces back quite hard, but it's very good quality for how much it is, like 70-80 pounds. I can't be bothered to convert that into dollars right now. Someone go do it yourself. The throttle is really good. It sort of combines Airbus and Boeing, where Airbus has one, like a few clicks. I can't remember exactly how many. This has got one, like that. So you can push it to halfway. But I mean, the Airbus throttle does all sorts of weird things. And because it's got more clicks than Boeing, less clicks than Airbus, so it sort of combines them. I mean, on the throttle, you got nice rudder there. This sort of like view. So I mean, the A380, the MC one, does not work like that. But with the view thing, let me just, like that. Like that. Oh, it does weird stuff in the scenery thing. Yeah, this is not a great plane, hang on. I'll get loaded into a different flight that I can show you all. I'll go for the A320. Oh, my flight sim is so laggy. The area I live is not got fibre broadband or whatever, so everything's really laggy. Then here we've got the brakes. Just hold it down. Then show you this side. Ooh, this really doesn't do anything. I don't know why it's there. This sort of like, it gets rid of the blue boxes and the pinpoints and stuff like that. Then on here, can't remember what it is, but I've set these to landing gear, and these are just something. Yeah, that's me loading in. Then here, this can be used as either rudder or trim. It's quite useful actually. And I've got these two as flaps and stuff. So I'll show you with the view thing. Got that. All that sort of stuff. Then if I show you the flap lever, and I sort of click on these things here. Of course it's now choosing the time to not work properly. If I take off, yeah, this, I think I set this to not do that, but that's definitely what it does as a starter, so I'll just get rid of those real quick. So there we go, keep an eye on there, you can just see it, you just about see two landing gear lever things, and I press Y, you'll see them transitioning there until it goes red, so they're not done anymore. Maybe now if I look at my flaps, config 1, then I press the reduce flaps. No, it's not going to work, is it? just let the flaps do their thing. Oh, and also I keep getting TCAS on this for some reason, I don't know why. But yeah, that is a not very complete review of this. Oh, hang on. So these are like general Xbox. Like, you got next on previews, which you can set to various things. Then you got this, which is like screenshots. So if I do that, screenshot saved. This is just the Xbox button. This is pause, and this is changing the GUI and stuff. So yeah, I rate it out of 10. It's a solid 6.5 because obviously, as realism goes, it's not great, and you sort of need specific things to match the aircraft. For example, when I'm flying Airbus, it'd be definitely better to fly with an Airbus joystick and throttle, especially considering, look, if I zoom in on my engine there, just look at the line, and I move it back in one steady motion. There you go, it's all the way back by now. And then if I move it forwards, just almost instantly, as soon as I move it forwards, it goes to there, and I'm only at the halfway click. So that's another thing. But yeah, other than that, it's very, very good.